Hello and welcome to day 51 of Bedtime Welsh, and time for a new word. And the word for today is to eat. To eat in Welsh is bwyta. 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 So to eat is
bwyta.
Bwyta. So to want to eat is to want a cat to go away. How do you say that? To want to eat is
Isio bwyta.
isio bwyta. So I want to eat is
Dwi isio bwyta.
dwi isio bwyta. So how about I want to eat something?
Dwi isio bwyta rhywbeth.
Dwi isio bwyta rhywbeth. How about I want to eat something now?
Dwi isio bwyta rhywbeth rŵan.
Dwi isio bwyta rhywbeth rŵan. I bet that's true, isn't it? I bet you do, don't you? Yeah, Angharad does. Angharad wants to eat something now. And last one for today. How about do you want to eat something?
Wyt ti isio bwyta rhywbeth?
Oh, well, I do. Thank you for asking. Wyt ti isio bwyta rhywbeth? So you should be able to use that quite a lot. Try and think of different ways in which you can talk about that or use the word bwyta whenever you want some food, and see if you can train your parents to understand what you're saying to them. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow with some more new stuff. Hwyl am y tro. Ta-da!